ज्ञान भक्ति और विश्वास मैत्री त्रिबीजपत्री चिंता चेतना और चिरंतनतार सहयात्री त्रिबीजपत्री।
Welcome everybody. Today we will discuss about yet another important chapter, and that is based on compound sentences. This sentence contains more than one clause. We have already discussed a sentence is composed of one or more than one clause. So if a sentence has only one clause, that is known as a simple sentence. And if the sentence has more than one clause, then again we divide the sentences into two categories. One is compound sentence and the other one is complex sentence. Why it is compound and complex? Here the key role is played by the clause, the type of clause. If two or more independent clauses are found in a sentence, this sentence is known as a compound sentence. If a sentence contains one main clause and one or more dependent clauses or subordinate clauses, then the sentence is known as a complex sentence. Our focus is on compound sentence today. As you know, the definition of the compound sentence is a sentence having at least two independent clauses separated by a comma or a semicolon or a conjunction is called a compound sentence. So you know, children, what an independent clause is. An independent clause is a group of words which has three things. One, a subject. Two, an action verb. And three, a complete meaning or thought. So an independent clause has a subject and an action verb and a complete sense or complete meaning or complete thought. Okay, it doesn't depend upon the other part of the sentence for its complete meaning. For example, Sambit swims in the river. Sambit swims in the river. Here, Sambit is the subject. Swims is the action verb in the river, and it has a complete meaning. Sambit swims in the river. Sambit noire pohare. The complete sense asla, complete meaning asla. That is why it is an independent clause, and it is necessary that if the compound sentence has only two independent clauses, so these two clauses are separated from each other by a comma or a semicolon or a coordinating conjunction, simply a conjunction. So what a conjunction is? A conjunction is a part of speech which connects, which adds two phrases, two words, two clauses or two simple sentences. This is known as a conjunction. Now let us see what are the conjunctions. And, but, for, nor, or, so, yet. These are some conjunctions, and they are used in a sentence to join two words or two phrases or two clauses, right? Now I will give you some examples. Number one, Jnana Vijayini writes articles and she sings well. Two independent clauses are there in the first sentence. Number one is Jnana Vijayini writes articles. It's a complete, meaningful sentence, simple sentence, and it is a clause, independent clause. Another one is she sings well. It is also another independent clause. It has a complete meaning. And both the clauses are separated from each other by a comma and a conjunction and. Generally, we don't put a comma before a conjunction and. But as per grammatical rule, we have to use a comma before a conjunction. Okay? नदेले चलिबो किंतु रूल अछि दिया जाय पारिबो. So Jnana Vijayini writes articles, one clause, independent clause, and she means Jnana Vijayini. Jnana Vijayini sings well. दुईटी काम से करि पारे. जेहेतु दुईटी काम से करि पारंती से दुईटी को हम संयोग करछु and माध्यम रे. Number 2, Vidya Vijayini teaches well. But she doesn't write articles. Vidya Vijayini teaches well. It is one independent clause. खूब भला पाठ पढ़ाई पारंती. But she means Vidya Vijayini. Vidya Vijayini doesn't write articles. से आर्टिकल लखंती नहीं, स्तंभ पाई लखंती नहीं, किंतु से खूब सुंदर पाठ पढ़ाती. So दुईटी जाक independent clause because each and every clause has a complete meaning. For the meaning they do not depend upon any other part of the sentence. And here the conjunction is but. Here and before a conjunction we put a comma here. Now come to example number 3. Satyapriya always reads science magazines. However, he wants to be a software specialist. Two independent clauses are there in this sentence. Number 1 is Satyapriya always reads science magazines. Satyapriya सबुबले science magazine पढ़ंती. Why? For means because. And for अर्थ because. For he means Satyapriya. He wants to be a software specialist. जन सॉफ्टवेयर कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर स्पेशलिस्ट अर्थात विशेषज्ञ हेबा पई तंकर इच्छा अछि. सेथि पई से साइंस मैगजीन पढ़ंती. तो दीटा जाक इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज and both the clauses are separated from each other by a comma and a conjunction for. Now come to example number 4. Mr. Dilip Deora is a well-known publisher, yet he never shows off. Two independent clauses once again. One, Mr. Dilip Deora is a well-known publisher. Mr. Dilip Deora हेउछन्ति जणे जणाशुना पब्लिशर, प्रकाशक, पुस्तक प्रकाशक. Yet ता सत्वे, yet means but, yet ता सत्वे प्रकाशक होइथिबा सत्वे he never shows off. से निज ना को विज्ञापित करंती नहीं. विज्ञापन रे प्रचार रे तांकर रुचि नहीं. से निज ना को विज्ञापित करंती नहीं. देखि होंती नहीं जे मु जणे भल पब्लिशर बा बड़ पब्लिशर. Both the independent clauses have the meaning, complete meaning. And here Mr. Dilip Deora is a well-known publisher is an independent clause. He never is another independent clause. Both the clauses are separated from each other by a comma, and here is a conjunction yet connects the two independent clauses, right? So now we see how a compound sentence is formed and what are the components used in a compound sentence. Good component कौन ना एटलिस्ट दुईटी इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज थिबो एवं कौन थिबो ना दुईटी इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज को जॉइन करूथिबो गुटे कंजंक्शन एवं गुटे कमा थिबो आ जोठी आमे देखिबा सेम भावार्थ होउची दुईटी देखर समान प्रकारर आइडेंटिकल एक्टिविटीज आर डन से क्षेत्र में विदाउट कंजंक्शन वी कैन यूज ए सेमिकोलन बिना कंजंक्शन रे आमे केमिति कंपाउंड सेंटेंस लिखि पारुछु बाय यूजिंग ए सेमिकोलन राइट डोंट कॉल हर शी इज एंग्री ताको डाको ना से रुसी छी रागी छी बस सो शी इज एंग्री ए complete sentence, it is also an independent clause. Don't call her, it is also an independent clause. Number 2, father is not at home. He has been to Cuttack. First independent sentence is father is not at home. And second independent sentence is he has been to Cuttack. That means father has been to Cuttack. Separated by a colon, semicolon. Not separated, but the semicolon is here used to join the two independent clauses, right? Now, example 3, Tarini Prasad is unhappy. His sister has beaten him. Tarini Prasad is unhappy. Tarini Prasad ro मन दुख कहीं his sister has beaten him. ता भौणी ताको बाड़े छंदी बस ए दुईटी इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज को जॉइन करछि सेमिकोलन क्लियर नाउ वी सी देयर इज अ सर्टेन रूल व्हेन वी राइट ए कंपाउंड सेंटेंस व्हाट इज दैट रूल सर्टेन रूल्स टू मेक कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस रूल 1 A compound sentence doesn't begin with a conjunction generally. तेणु कौन सी compound sentence cannot begin with a conjunction. Number 2, in a compound sentence, a comma is generally used before a conjunction. As usually we know, कमा गोटे लगे किंतु कंजंक्शन पूर्वर लगे एंड द कंजंक्शन इज कॉल्ड ए कोऑर्डिनेटर साधारणतः कंजंक्शन को आमे कोऑर्डिनेटर कहू से गोटे कंपाउंड सेंटेंस रे जो इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज गुडी व्यवहृत होता है से गुडी को प्रत्येक को गोटे गोटे कोऑर्डिनेटिंग क्लॉज बोली कहा जाए गोटे कंपाउंड सेंटेंस रे जो क्लॉज गुडी को व्यवहार करा जाउछि दुईटी हो कि तीनटी हो प्रत्येक क्लॉज को प्रत्येक इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज को गोटे गोटे कोऑर्डिनेटिंग क्लॉज बोली कहा जाए क्लियर नाउ रूल 3 some correlating conjunctions are used to make compound sentences कंपाउंड सेंटेंस आमे मध्य फॉर्म करि परिबा ताक गठन करि परिबा यूजिंग सम कोरिलेटिंग कंजंक्शंस जनरली द कोऑर्डिनेटर्स आर द सिंगल वर्ड्स बट सम कंपाउंड वर्ड्स आर यूज्ड टू कनेक्ट और टू ऐड two different independent clauses to make a compound sentence and those correlating conjunctions are for example both and either are neither not only but also these are the correlating conjunctions so these correlating conjunctions are used to make compound sentences how they make compound sentences. Now let us see by giving some examples. Here see, some questions are there and you are asked to make a compound sentence. 1. Sambit can run well. Sambit can throw well. Sambit can run well and Sambit can throw well. So we can join the two independent clauses by using a correlating conjunction both and. So what are the two different things Sambit can do? Here Sambit is the subject, here also Sambit is the subject. Sambit can run, Sambit can throw. So two action verbs are different, that is run and throw. So before run you put both and before throw you put and. That's all. See, Sambit can both run and throw well. Just like taking common in the mathematical problems. केते पर्यंत कॉमन जाई पारुछि? Here Sambit can before each action verb. So we take a common, but Sambit can both run and throw well. Here it is well, here it is also well. Then both this side रो हमें well को common नहीं करो, एवं प्रथम रो Sambit can को common नहीं करो. Now come to the second sentence, and here there is no need of a comma. Comma use हुए नहीं. Second sentence, Sasmita cannot skip. Sasmita cannot jump. Sasmita skipping करी पारे नहीं कि Sasmita jump करी पारे नहीं. तो both the sentence को हमें compound sentence रे परिणत करिबा join करके हमर correlating conjunction होला neither nor. एहा नहे कि ताहा नहे. So आगे रे combine Sasmita. So here is also cannot, here is also cannot. Negative correlating conjunction होला neither and not. तेरे not लगो हमें leave out कर दबा ताकू काढ़ी दबा. तेरे हमर भाव बोला can. Sasmita can neither skip nor jump. It is a compound sentence. Now come to number 3. Shubham may go to school. Shubham, not you. Here it is Shubham. Shubham may stay home. Shubham school को जीव बा शुभम घरे रही स्कूल जाई पारे घर को जाई पारे. दुई प्रकार संभावना भीतर गोटे either or is the correlating conjunction. Now see, शुभम में पर्यंत आमे कमन नबा एपट शुभम में पर्यंत कमन नबा. शुभम may either go to school or stay home. So this is the compound sentence. Now some more examples. Now see, number 4. Ravindra bowled well. Ravindra batted well too. The two clauses, independent clauses, can be joined to make a compound sentence using not only but also. How they can be joined? Now see, Ravindra not only bowled but also batted well. So in this way, we make compound sentences.